Here I've got the BLU Grand M2, and let me show you how to change screen timeout on the following device. So at first let's open list of all applications, then find and select the settings, now locate and open display, and then click on sleep icon. And here you can pick the period of time after which you would like your device to fall asleep, so it can be either 15 seconds, 30 seconds, 1 to 5 minutes, 10 minutes or even 30 minutes. Let me pick 10 minutes, and as you can see it has been changed, so from now on your device would fall asleep after 10 minutes of inactivity. So that would be all. This is how you can change screen timeout in your Grand M2. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.